right, so here with my Topstep dashboard. So we're looking at the combines. This is the lead combine. Once I get into Topstep X, you'll be able to see the rest of them down below. But I figured I would just show you the lead, which is basically the rest of them are kind of following along. I got 5 days in so far, 60% winning days, and slowly growing this account. Target's right there, about halfway to the target. Maybe that can get hit next week. By the end of next week would be pretty nice. Be, maybe 10 to 15 days in, get to that target and start converting these over to XFAs. Again, I got a couple combines I started first to test out the copy trading thing, and then added as I went. So in the backside, it's going to be the same thing. 2 of them will hit their target first, probably, and then over the next several days, the other ones will catch up and get passed and turn into XFAs. All right, so let's get into today's trades. Okay, so here we are on October 24th. Getting ready to jump into gold here to the long side. I'm going to go ahead and jump in with my one contract, I think, right now, and then
order filled.
We'll talk about this trade in just a second. Okay, so in gold, long, one contract, just looking for a small scalp. I don't scalp as a part of a daily strategy. Scalping is only a once-in-a-while thing. Again, I think scalping as a daily strategy, every day only scalping, is a recipe for disaster in the long run because it's so easy for something to move big and erase many weeks worth of gains. So scalping occasionally. I didn't have any really good setups that took place today, so there was no trading based on my normal simple switch. Unfortunately, because we just didn't have the setups. So jumping on a small scalp, like I said here in gold, and here's some of the reason why. I may be going short on this here in a second. We'll see. Gold is in an uptrend. It's in an overall uptrend in gold. Huge correction this morning, right? Big retracement that we had way down here. Coming out of that retracement right now, we can see a bit of a trend, an upward trend forming again. And then we can see this trend, this little mini trend line right here as well. So I'm going to come back here. There's a draw to the upside. Could see a nice move all the way up to that level there, or at least to the top of this channel that it had right here. So my target right now, I'm looking for a top to this channel, somewhere in between the top of this channel and up here. That's where my target is right now, almost directly in the middle. But looking for it to get towards the top of that channel, I'll start trailing a stop. Unless this trend line wants to start to break, then I'm just going to reverse my trade short. Of course, as luck would have it, I had to take a call during that this break here. So let me go ahead now and just reverse my trade. All right, so real close to risk right now with my stop right here. That's where I'm going to reverse my trade if it wants to break below. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more contract.
Order filled.
I would have liked to have got it when it was flat down here, but all good. And then I'm going to go over here and right click. Stop, sell, 2. All right, so this should, if this comes down here, I should stop out of my long trade and I should get in short 2 contracts. We'll see what it does. Not tried to do this yet with Topstep X, so we're going to find out what happens. Just missed out on the plan, which was to reverse the trade if it broke here when I stepped out to take that call real quick.
Order filled.
Okay, so now I should be short 2 contracts. How many am I short right now? 2. Okay, right here it shows me. Right here. 2 contracts short. All right, cool. And then I put my stop and I can just drag this up. And then my stop's automatically in. Thank you guys for showing me that. I don't know why I didn't copy trade them. I got the leader account on +4 and none of these got in. They must knew I was going to have a red day today, so it didn't copy trade them. I mean, these are all red, so it copy traded the first time. I just didn't do it on the reverse. So with this retrace up, I guess I could close my position and then get back in short with those other accounts. All right, I'm going to try that. I'm going to hit close position.
Order filled.
So now I'm out of my trades. And then I got 2 contracts on deck.
Order filled.
Sell. Okay, so now I'm short all of them again. All right, so when I right-clicked on here and did my order like that, it only put the trade in for the leader account. It didn't put it in for all my accounts. So just closed that and then got in with those other ones. Okay, clock's running out on me, so as soon as I get another opportunity down here in the support area, I'm going to take the trade off the table. And then as soon as I get my trade off the table, we'll watch it drop all the way down here, because that's what typically happens. I think I need to just take it off. I'll drop that there just because I'm out of time. So I'm going to miss out on a green day
Order filled.
because the clock. All right, so out of that trade, going to miss out on a green day because the clock's running out on me. I think gold's going to dump eventually here, but I just can't stick around and trade for it. I got to go pick up my little one. So we're going to finish on most of the accounts here down $99. Got a little bit lucky when they didn't get caught up in that other trade. So that kind of saved the day a little bit. $2.99 in that one account. So either way, all my accounts are still in the green from where they started and moving towards completing the evaluation. So that's going to do it for today. I'll see you all tomorrow.